Oh my God, nasa Pilipinas pa ba ako? Yes po, sa Pilipinas pa din ito. Kung first time mo or 5 to 10 years ago na nung huling punta mo ng Baguio, make sure na idagdag mo sa itinerary mo ito Igorot Stone Kingdom na isa sa mga pinakabagong tourist attraction na itinayo after the pandemic. Entrance fee is 100 pesos for adults, 80 pesos for kids 4 to 12 years old, senior citizens, and PWD, and free admission naman for toddlers. This is open daily from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. This man-made park showcases intricate stonework and cultural displays celebrating the rich heritage of the Igorot people. This place is also dedicated by the owner, Pio Velasco, to his mother, Rita Velasco. She taught him to be humble yet strong, patient, and determined, qualities that helped him in building this park. Halos bawat sulok dito ay Instagram worthy naman and meron din naman mga food stalls dito so hindi kayo mamamroblema in case na magutom kayo. Para tong isang napakalaking maze na pwede nyo unahin muna yung isang side bago makarating sa kabilang side hanggang sa pataas kayo ng pataas then pababa kayo ng pababa. Parang spaghetti lang, diba? Kaya make sure to wear comfortable footwear. Like and follow for more travel ideas. Bye-bye!